After a succession of terrorist attacks in the country, public anger has been directed at the country's security agencies, even as executive appears to blame the judiciary for leniency while dealing with terror suspects.
There is more that the judiciary can do to make sure that these people, once arrested and identified as terror suspects, do not find their way into the general population and continue to execute their evil schemes.
However, Chief Justice Willy Mutunga has come to the defense of the institution under his watch.
Will not grant bail or convict on the basis of emotions rather than a rigorous presentation of evidence and facts. The Constitution does not use the word compelling for ornamental purposes.
In a proclamation that is likely to draw public anger, Mutunga disclosed that just like all other offenders, terrorists have rights, insisting that their offenses are bailable under the law.
It's painful and unpopular as this statement may sound, terrorists, murderers, rapists, criminals, drug traffickers, the entire scum of the earth, they have their rights under our Constitution.
Addressing a meeting between judicial and security officers in Nairobi, Mutunga maintained that in a departure from the past, where certain crimes were not bailable, the Constitution now provides for such conditions.
The court, Judge Sajdeva, actually ruled that where the issues of security, you don't even have to, you can't grant bail. The Constitution has changed all that.
The Chief Justice stressed the need for balance between security and rights, admitting that the ongoing terrorist cases puts the corridors of justice on the spotlight.
The judiciary finds itself in difficult position where it has to remain true to its constitutional mission of validating rights, while at the same time ensure itself against populist public anger.
His sentiments were supported by Kenya Magistrates and Judges Association Chair Justice Richard Mwango.
On the one hand, sanctions which the state imposes to protect its citizens from harm are imposed by the courts. On the other hand, the courts have an obligation to protect individuals against the arbitrary and unjustified imposition of those sanctions.
This comes even as the 8 million cash bail that was granted to Hamed Dugal Ali, the owner of the vehicle that exploded at Pangani police station, killing 2 police officers, was cancelled after the Director of Public Prosecution made an application seeking to withdraw the bail. This means that his case will proceed to full hearing while still in custody. Eric Biegon reporting for Channel 1 News.